Hi guys, welcome back to Summer Sweet Show, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make the trendy hot chocolate bombs. If you don't know what hot chocolate bombs are, they're basically chocolate spheres filled with hot cocoa powder and marshmallows, or pretty much any treat you want to add in there. So I wanted to explain to you guys that there are different types of chocolate you can use for your hot chocolate bombs. One of them is good quality bar baking chocolate. The only bad thing about this though is you have to go through a process called tempering. The tempering process is basically when you warm up your chocolate to nothing over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A way that you can skip that process is using the melting wafers for chocolate, and what's easier about these is you don't have to go through a tempering process at all. So you just have to pop it in the microwave, take them out, and you're done. Okay, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using today for the hot chocolate bombs. First, you have the melting chocolate wafers, or you can use the bar of chocolate, crushed candy canes, which is optional, the mini marshmallows, 1 tablespoon of hot cocoa powder, and the silicone molds. For the silicone molds, there's many options of the size of them, but today I'm going to be using the 2.5-inch molds. Place the chocolate in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir the chocolate until all chocolate wafers are melted. If needed, microwave the chocolate for 15-second increments until it is melted and smooth. Pour about a tablespoon of chocolate and smooth along the inside of the mold, paying extra attention to the rim so they don't crack in later steps. Place the molds in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes or until the chocolate is set. Gently remove the spheres from the molds and set them on some parchment paper. Take a microwave-safe plate and warm it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it is hot. We will be using this hot plate to smooth the rims of the spheres before filling them. Take a sphere and slide the rim around the hot plate until the rim is smooth. Fill with 1 tablespoon of hot cocoa powder, a handful of mini marshmallows, and desired amount of crushed candy canes. I'm using a hefty amount for extra peppermint flavor. Grab an empty sphere, slide it across the plate to smoothen the rim. Press the spheres together, making sure the seam is sealed. Apply gentle pressure along the seam while smoothing with your finger. This is an important step to make sure your powder doesn't leak out. Drizzle some white chocolate along your bomb. You can use a spoon or piping bag to be more precise and uniform. I'm using a spoon today, so it's not as neat, but that's okay because I'm about to cover it with sprinkles. Today I'm going to be using red and green sprinkles to be festive. Here's an example of when I used white chocolate and decorated with edible gold dust. So like I said, the possibility for creativity with these bombs are endless. Inside these bombs was my mom's favorite vanilla latte powder. So now let's get back to today's bombs. Warm a cup of milk until it's piping hot. And now, for the best part, pour the milk over the bomb and enjoy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and comment any baking tutorials you'd like to see. See you next week!